Hey guys, Ethan here with Family Handyman. There's a few tools that every person should have in their collection. You know, the necessary ones, like a hammer, a wrench, some pliers, and some screwdrivers. But there's one tool that's absolutely essential no matter the project or task, and that's a reliable tape measure. A few years ago, I picked up my first FastCap Pro Carpenter tape measure, and I haven't found a better one since. Here's what I like about it. FastCap Pro Carpenter tape measures come in 5 high-contrast, 1-inch wide tape blade styles. They feature an onboard pencil sharpener, an erasable notepad, dual locking levers, and a durable lever-action belt clip. They come in lengths ranging from 6 to 30 feet and have specialty models available, from everything from locating a center point to adapting for our left-handed friends. Right now, my favorite is Lefty Ready, which features mirrored standard measurements on the blade, so it's easy to read from any angle. The pencil sharpener and erasable notepad come in handy all the time, and I appreciate the smooth nylon covering the blade tape. Not only is it great to save your finger when it recoils, but it also keeps it from rusting in hot and humid climates. I can't say enough about the FastCap Pro Carpenter tape measure, so much so that I have 3 of them bouncing around my toolbox as we speak. They're durable, well-made, and full of innovative features. That's why they're Family Handyman approved. To see what else we're testing and improving, visit us at familyhandyman.com.